Second Standard English Workbook Term 2 Third Lesson On a Trip. Read aloud. Ship, boat, ride, sail, aeroplane, sky, train, water, air, fly. Choose and write. I see an aeroplane. It is a train. This is a ship. He rides a motorbike. ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதுலேருந்து செலக்ட் பண்ணி நீங்கள் ஆன்சரை எழுதணும். Look at the picture and shade the answer. Helicopter sails in water. No. What runs on the tracks? Tracksல என்ன போகும்? Train தான் tracksல போகும். Train. Where does the ship sail? Water. Name two vehicles that go on the road. Bus and bullock cart. Name any other two vehicles that go on road. Motorbike, scooter. Read and answer. Beena's family likes to go on a trip. She likes go to Madurai by train. Her brother Roshan likes to go to Chennai by an aeroplane. Her mother likes to go to Salem by car. Her father likes to take them to Vellore by bus. Beena likes to go to Madurai by train. Read and write yes or no. Roshan likes to go to Chennai by train. No. Shade the correct answer. How many vehicles names are mentioned in the passage? 4. Where do you like to go for a vacation and how? நீங்கள் எந்த ஊருக்கு போகணும், எந்த வெஹிக்கிளில் போகணுன்றதை இங்கே நீங்கள் எழுதணும். I would like to go to Kodaikanal by car. Read, choose and write. The car is red. I see an aeroplane. John rides a bicycle. Circle and write the words in the box. Ship. இந்த வேர்ட்ஸ்க்குலாம் நீங்கள் வந்து சர்க்கிள் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை எடுத்து எழுதணும். பஸ், ட்ரெயின், இங்கே கார். கலர் த டிராஃபிக் சிக்னல் அண்ட் fill in the blanks. இதுக்கு நீங்கள் கலர் பண்ணணும். Red, yellow, green. Red is for stop, yellow is for wait, green is for go. Read the following and answer the questions. Vijay has a bicycle. The bicycle is blue. It has 2 wheels. She likes to ride her bicycle. What does Vijay have? Vijay has a bicycle. What is the color of the bicycle? The color of the bicycle is blue. How many wheels does the bicycle have? The bicycle has 2 wheels. Listen and shade the correct sentence. We must not play on the road. அதுதான் correct. We walk on the platform. Read and shade the correct picture. It goes on the road. What is it? Bus. It runs on the track. What is it? Train. It flies in the air. What is it? Helicopter. Read and answer. I am a traffic signal. I have 3 colors. Red says stop, stop, stop. Yellow says wait, wait, wait. Green says go, go, go. Now you are ready to go. Which color says wait? Yellow. Green means go. We should obey traffic rules. Write yes or no. It is good to play on the road. ரோட்ல விளையாடுறது சரியான ஒரு விஷயமா இல்லை, தப்பு. அதனால இங்கே no. It is a bus. It goes on the road. It is a aeroplane, it flies in the air. It is a train, it runs on the track. It is a ship, it sails in the water. Read and shade the correct picture. A net is on the bed. Bedல net இருக்கிறது இந்த picture தான். First picture. It is a pet hen. கோழி. There are 10 pens. Pen. 10 இருக்கு இங்கதான். He sees a red jet. Jet இதுதான். Read, sort and write. Bed, bed, pet, leg, 10, red, net, pen. EDன்ற word எல்லாம் வந்து இங்க sort out பண்ணணும். ET முடியறது இங்க, EN முடியறது இங்க, EG முடியறது இங்க. Bed, red, pet, net, 10, pen, bed, leg. Choose and write the correct answer. Net, men, hen, pen. The hen is on the coop. The net on the bed is green. 2 men are near the hut. The pen is red. Read and answer the following. Ravi sits on the bed. He writes with his pen. He has 10 pets. He sees a red hen. He takes a net. He catches the red hen. இதில இருந்து இப்ப questions கேக்குறாங்க. அதுக்கு answer பண்ணனும். Who has 10 pets? Ravi has 10 pets. Where does Ravi sit? Ravi sat on the bed. What does Ravi see? Ravi seen a red hen. How does Ravi catch the red hen? Ravi catches the red hen with a net. Read and match. Salt, salt என்றது இங்க இருக்கு. Ash gourd, black gram, coriander leaves. Read aloud. Anu's grandmother went to the market. She bought salt, a mango, black gram, a watermelon, coriander leaves, rice, an apple, and an ash gourd. Who am I? Watermelon, pumpkin, salt. Answer கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அது எதுக்கான ஆன்சர்ன்றதை நம்ம சூஸ் பண்ணி எழுதணும். I am big, I am round, I am yellow, I am vegetable. Who am I? Pumpkin. I am white, I look like sugar. You find my taste in sea water. Who am I? Salt. I am big, I am round, I am green, I am red inside. I am a fruit. Who am I? Watermelon. Read the passage and answer the questions. Malar goes to a shop with her father Bala. She takes a watermelon, mangoes and grapes. Her father takes a pumpkin, an ash gourd, coriander leaves and onions. Then they go to the grocery section and take salt, sugar, rice, oil and ghee. They pay the bill and go home. What does Bala take? Vegetables. What do Malar and Bala take together? Groceries. Write the names of the groceries given in the passage. Salt, sugar, rice, oil and ghee. Read the sentences and number the picture. Madhu comes home hungry. She takes an apple from the basket. She washes the apple. She peels the skin. She cuts the apple. She eats it. Order இவங்க கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. இதில இருந்து நம்ம எது first வரணும் செகண்ட் வரணும்ன்றதை நம்ம நம்பர் இங்க மென்ஷன் பண்ணணும். 3, 5, 4, 1, 6, 2. Read and answer. Arun's father washes the vegetables and gives it to Arun's grandmother. His grandfather peels the onion. His grandmother chops the vegetables. His mother cooks the food. Shade the correct answer. What does Arun's father do? Washes. Which vegetable do we not peel? எதை வந்து நம்ம உரிக்க தேவையில்ல? மிளகா, சில்லியே நம்ம உரிக்க தேவையில்ல. Who chops the vegetable? Grandmother. Rewrite correctly. Mother grinds the food. அவங்க grind பண்ணல, cook பண்ணாங்க. Mother cooks the food. How do you help in cooking? I used to help in cooking by peeling onion and garlic. Rewrite the sentences correctly using the clues. Drinks, cooks, washes இதெல்லாம் ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதுலேருந்து நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். அருண் ஷேக்ஸ் ஹிஸ் ஹேண்ட்ஸ்னு இங்கே இருக்குது. ஆனால் இங்கே அவன் வந்து அருண் வந்து வாஷ் பண்ணுறான். அருண் வாஷஸ் ஹிஸ் ஹேண்ட்ஸ். இங்கே பானு கட்ஸ் டொமேட்டோஸ். ஃபாசில் ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் வாட்டர். டேவிட் பீல்ஸ் த பனானா. சாரதா குக்ஸ் த ஃபுட். Read and answer. Uncle Tom makes a dish with bread. He takes 2 bread slices. He spreads butter and coriander chutney on it. He takes cut onions, tomatoes, cucumbers and boiled potatoes. He keeps them on one slice of the bread. Then he closes it with the other slice. He gives it to Jacob. Jacob eats it happily. What other recipes can be made with bread? Bun butter jam. Tick the correct answer. What did Uncle Tom do? He spreads butter and coriander chutney. What vegetables does Uncle Tom use? Onions, tomatoes, cucumbers and boiled potatoes. Right? Yes or no? It is easy to make this dish? Yes. My journal. The place I like to visit. உங்களுக்கு எந்த இடத்துக்கு போகணுமோ ஆசையோ அந்த இடத்தோட நேம் இங்கே எழுதிக்கணும். அதை பற்றின டீட்டெயில் இங்கே எழுதணும். I like to go to Ooty. I like to go during summer. I like to go to with my father. I like to go by train. I like to see Rose Garden. I like to stay there for 2 days. Read it to your friend. I see an aeroplane. This is a long train. The car goes on the road. Choose and write the correct answer. It is a red hen. The net is on the bed. Varun has a pet. The jet flies high. Short and right. Bus, lorry, helicopter, boat, jet, ship, van, car, aeroplane. இது வந்து ரோட்ல எதெல்லாம் போகுது, வாட்டர்ல எது போகும், ஏர்ல எது போகும்ன்றதை சார்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். ரோட்ல பஸ், லாரி, வேன், கார் இதெல்லாம் போகும். வாட்டர்ல போட், ஷிப் இது போகும். ஏர்ல ஹெலிகாப்டர், ஜெட், ஏரோப்ளேன் இதெல்லாம் ஏர்ல போகும். ரீட் அண்ட் ஆன்சர். Vinu has a pet. The pet is wet. The wet pet is on the bed. Vinu plays with the pet. How is the pet? The pet is wet. Who plays with the pet? Vinu plays with the pet. Do you have a pet? If yes, write the name of your pet. No. Monthly assessment. Read and circle the classroom objects. Classroomல என்னென்ன இருக்கும்? Pencil, duster, ruler, table, blackboard, dustbin. இதெல்லாம் நீங்க வந்து circle பண்ணணும். Read and tick the correct answer. This is a bitter gourd. It is bitter. This is a banana. It is yellow. Complete the sentence using this, that. That is a mango. This is a ship. This is a bicycle. That is a lion. That is a radish. Circle the names of the picture and write it. Train, boat, Goa, ship, onion, bicycle. இதெல்லாம் நீங்க வந்து சர்க்கிள் பண்ணணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை எடுத்து எழுதணும். Train, onion, Goa, ship, bicycle, boat. Take the correct sentence for the picture. The mango is yellow. Danya has 5 balloons. An aeroplane flies in the air. Choose and fill in the blanks. Papaya, bitter gourd, sour, sweet, lemon, bitter. It is a lemon. It is sour. It is a papaya. It is sweet. It is a bitter gourd. It is bitter. இந்த லெசன் இதோட முடிஞ்சிடுச்சு. Thank you.